Greetings all. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 55, and topic for today is power of repetition. Success is a sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out, said by Robert Collier, is a famous American author. Friends, what is repetition does is repetition moves a conscious effort into your subconscious, turning a task into an automatic reflex. See, there are many examples from sports. For example, Mohammad Azharuddin, Ricky Ponting, John T. Rhodes, they all are known for their fielding greatness in cricket. Ricky Ponting used to practice 150 catches and throws to the stumps every day, because of which when a batsman hit a ball to Ricky Ponting, he fears to go for a single, forget about double. Okay, so that is the kind of fear you are able to create in the opposition just because of your practice. Swimming great Michael Phelps used to swim 13 kilometers a day. In one of the interviews, he said whether it is a Christmas or a New Year, still he used to swim 13 kilometers a day. Okay, that is because of that kind of repetition, volume of repetition, again and again, they become the great. Okay, so for example, these are all for sports legends. For normal people like you and me, what are some of the daily tasks which we can repeat it consistently so it becomes a effortless performance? Say for example, sending a clear email. After writing an email, reading it for clarity, putting yourself from the other person's perspective and reading it again, whether I convey a message clearly. Point number 2 is double checking any report. Before sending any report, again checking it for errors and make sure the report is without any errors. And the third thing is making that follow-up call. Okay, we have a lot of follow-ups call for many reasons. Are we doing this every day? So these may look small items, but can we do this 1,000 times again and again without getting bored? Okay, because repetition is not about doing boring things. It's about making a task into an automatic reflex with perfection. Okay, so let's follow these simple principles, implement in our day-to-day life, and achieve greatness. Thank you once again. This is Subramanian, Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. Have a great week.